My YouTube channel. This is Uncle Gideon. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to how to use PowerPoint. It is one of the Microsoft Office suite that you're going to use to prepare slides, especially if you have a presentation. We we all know that there are days whereby maybe a lecturer is going to prepare a slide or you're going to present something. Instead of having it bulky like in Word, but you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to make your presentations, which are going to be brief and concise. So in this video, we are going to look at how you can actually open you can open PowerPoint and how you're going to interface with the features in PowerPoint and what they are used for, and later on we're going to look at how we're going to save our work on PowerPoint. So to open PowerPoint, like if you're using Windows 11 like mine, you can either go to Start menu or you can come to Search. When you come to Search, you'll be able to find like here PowerPoint is here, or if you come to menu, you'll find it. PowerPoint is here. You click on it, and when you click on it, as you see, it is still loading. You'll have to select a blank presentation. But if you have already a presentation that you have that you want to use, like here, you see these are presentations which are already there. But if you want to type in a new presentation, you click on blank presentation. And once you click on blank presentation, this is how PowerPoint is going to appear on your desktop. And it has very many features. You find home, we have and these are the features that you're going to find in home. You have you have things like font size, the slides, paragraph, drawing, and editing that you're going to use for your work. And then in insert, you can when you click on insert, insert allows you to put tables, put pictures in your work, shapes, and many other things. Design is going to allow you to make your work to be the background of your work to be quite beautiful. You can choose any of these. And transition is when you want to add effects to your work, and and very many others here. So what is very important is that when you're using PowerPoint, you have to make sure that your work is concise and very brief, such that it doesn't cover a lot of work. So what do you do when you're making a PowerPoint? Make sure that your presentation has a title, and like you check here, you see the slides can be will come with you can have a slide. Maybe your first page can be title slide where you go like this one here, where you're going to only have a title. Maybe up here you can type the title of the work you're going to do, and then here you can type your name as the presenter, and then this you have title and content where you're going to put a small heading and put in your work. And then you have things like two contents. Maybe if you're doing comparisons, if you're doing comparisons and the rest of the things, that is where you're going to do. And maybe for this one here, for content and caption, you can just for these two, you can just put in your work, and to make it elaborate, you add a picture to illustrate whatever you're going you're going to talk about. So, like I said, title you have to make sure you put like this one here. You have to put title of your work, and then make sure that in your work always have a work outline. Make sure that you have a presentation outline when preparing your slides, and you can use this whereby you're going to put here outline, and then the objectives of your presentation are going to follow in this part. And then you make sure that you start every presentation with an outline with the outline that you have put as it follows. Like if this one, if in the next one, if we are to add another slide, you will make sure that your slide, the next one, also has got what? A title and what it is going to talk about. As you follow the outline that you had already put up there. And then make sure that your titles are going to must be in capital letters, because they are headings of items that you're going to talk about. And then you need to save your work maybe after doing after doing all this. Make sure you save your work. How do you save your work? You click on here and you save as, because this is a work that you have not saved. So you select from here where you want to save your work. So if you want to save your work, if you like this one here, want to save on desktop. And when you want to save, make sure that you save the presentation. It should be PowerPoint 97 to 2003. This enables your work to read in any computer that you're going to use, maybe because sometimes you may not have your computer at that moment. So when you have your work saved in that format, it will ensure that it makes it, because that format reads in any computer that you're going to access. So you click on save, and your work is going to be is going to be saved. So this is what we are going how far we are going to stop with that. In the next video, I'm going to show how to do a presentation of of your work in PowerPoint. Otherwise, thank you so much. I request you to subscribe, watch, and share it with your friends. Thank you.